Jiangsu Fangsheng Machinery Company Limited is the professional manufacturer of waste plastic recycling machinery like plastic washing line, pelletizing line, and their auxiliary machines like shredder, crusher, and squeezers. For all kinds of plastic, including PE, PP, PET, etc., the company can provide complete services, including recycle solutions, machine design, manufacture, installation, training, etc., with high quality and competitive prices. If the machine or solutions need to be customized, Fangsheng Machinery can design as well. The company was established in 2006, located in Zhangjiagang City, Jiangsu Province, China. After 15 years of continuous research, development, and innovation, Fangsheng Machinery has become a professional manufacturer of plastic recycling machinery with rich experience in China. The company covers an area of more than 22,000 square meters, has more than 50 employees, and an annual output value of more than $5 million. The products are exported to more than 80 countries and regions around the world, including Europe countries like Germany, British, Poland, Russia, American countries like the USA, Mexico, Brazil, Ecuador, Middle East countries like Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and Southeast Asia countries like Malaysia, Japan, Indonesia, Vietnam, etc. The aim of the company is to provide all customers with excellent plastic recycling solutions and equipment. Warmly welcome friends at home and abroad. Old and new, come to Fangsheng Machinery for visiting and cooperation.